Hi and welcome to the final installment of learning how to waffle cut. So what we have here is our sheets are laid out. This tutorial is going to cover how to print from Rhino. So I have waffles in, my profiles here have cuts and scores. Let's sort of expand our layer property and look a little closer at what's going on. So I have sheets which are under our construction layer. These are going to have a no print, and these can be a hidden line. So in order to print from Rhino, you need to be able to make sure that the color for your cuts is appropriate. It needs to be the RGB red, which is defined here as 255. The same for your blues. This needs to be a pure blue, so blue needs to be 255. Your line types in each need to be, your print width here needs to be a hairline and hairline. So these are the conditions for our particular laser cutters. So make sure that you have your print width as hairline and that the colors are indicated as true red and true blue in an RGB coding. So let's go to Ctrl+Print, and let's take a look at this here. So in order to do this, make sure that your laser cutter shows up in your destination. Now the size is the size of your frame. So in this case I have it by 32 by 18. It's a vector output. And I want to make sure that my output says to my print color. Remember, my print color is here. It's defined by the layer. So here we can say window, and we're going to say set. Okay. And we drag it across, and then we say enter. And then we hit print. We can also do this in the same way here, so we can say set and move to the next one and hit enter and print again. That's how you print from Rhino.